in the Gullah Geechee Nation, along these marsh-grown seaways and things like that. Plenty of people are build. Then they won't fill. And when they do this kind of thing, then they study about what we did it. But upon I get me, Queen Quetta, who I be, I always learn how the children say, when I must take care of the root for heal the tree. So this your time. We want 100 children for join we in supporting South Carolina Interfaith Power and Light. All upon this tree project that will help people around the world with reforestation. That's where some of them trees coming from, right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. We got plenty tree that we won't give, but we want 100 for doing it so that all in Pakistan, all yonder Haiti, all yonder with the family with American, or in Trinidad, wherever they be, we can help them with them project. But reforestry, 100 must take care of the root for heal the tree. So join we and make sure you go to the link below and give. Don't forget the tree they upon this shore and hold together all this your land and just about the marsh and the sea.